How to get the Jellie Skin for free on Fortnite. So the Jellie Skin on Fortnite hasn't been released yet. So right now you won't be able to get it. If you go to any web browser and to your Google, on the Google if you typed in how to get Jellie Skin for free, then on the result page you will see something like this. Here it says Color Splash Jelly comes to Fortnite in V-Bucks promo. The Walmart advertisement notes from January 13, 2025 through February 16, 2025, players who redeem a V-Bucks card will gain access to a Color Splash Jelly Skin. And you can get this with no extra cost. The dates are from 13 January to 16 February 2025. It's almost more than a month. You can read more about this article by pausing the video, but on this page a lot more information is provided about the Jelly Splash skin. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.